Hi guys, this is Abdul once again with Pakistan video series. I was here in Karachi and exploring the city, so I thought to let you know the top 5 places to stay in Karachi, to find a hotel or guest house. And I wanted to show you how much it will cost in Karachi if you stay in the city. So let's straight go into the topic. The number one place you should stay in Karachi is DHA, Defense Housing Authority, or Clifton. These two areas are very near to the Seaview Beach, and you can very easily find very good budget accommodation. You can find guest houses and 2-star or 3-star hotels here, and it will cost like 3,000 to 4,000 rupees, which is in US dollar like 20 to 25 US dollars. But if you are looking for high-end hotels like 4-star and 5-star, we also have many options in Karachi, but most of those hotels are located in southern area of Karachi and also on Shaira Faisal. The hotels like Pearl Continental, Moenpick Hotel, we have MBCN, Mehran Hotel, but they cost a lot more. They cost 10,000 to 15,000 rupees, or maybe sometimes 20,000 rupees, depending on the room you are getting or you are looking for. So normally if you have a budget like 100 to 150 US dollar for a one night stay in Karachi, then you can go for this 4-star and 5-star hotels, which mostly, once again I'm telling you, are located on Shaira Faisal and also in southern area. But if you are looking for low cost accommodation, then you should definitely give a chance to Clifton and Defense areas, guest houses, and low cost motels. If your budget is limited, then you can also stay at Tariq Road in Bahadurabad, where you will find a very good guest house for 3,000 to 4,000 rupees, which once again in US dollar will be like 25 US dollars. And the rooms are clean, they have all the basic facilities in these guest houses. I have seen them myself. I have visited many places, and when my guests come to Karachi, I book for them guest houses at these areas like the Tariq Road, Bahadurabad. And you also have one last option, which is Gulistan-e-Johar in Gulshan Iqbal. You can also find very low cost accommodation there, a guest house very easily for 2,000 to 3,000 rupees. And 2,000 to 3,000 rupees means in US dollars 15 US dollar to 20 US dollar. You can easily find a very good guest house in areas like Gulistan-e-Johar in Gulshan Iqbal. So again, we don't have the hostel concept in Karachi, the backpacking. I hope that will get developed in Karachi very soon when more tourists are coming to Karachi. Then we will have good options for backpacking and for hostels. We don't have hostels right now for tourists here in Karachi, but yes, you can find for 15 to 20 dollars you can find a very good guest house in a budget hotel, 1-star or 2-star hotel, and the famous areas in Karachi. Otherwise, you can also stay in the big hotels if you have money. That will cost more, 100 and 150 US dollar for 4-star or 5-star hotels. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any question, just put down that in comment, and I will be there to answer you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you with another video very soon.